Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet the knotted half double crochet stitch, which you can see here in front of you. I've also heard this stitch called, or a variation of it, the paired half double crochet. And I do have that here on my channel. So this is a slightly modified version called the knotted half double crochet. Now, when looking at this stitch, I did discover that there are two variations of it. So I am going to have another variation of the knotted half double crochet next week here on my channel, but today we're going to work on this one. One of the challenges with the knotted half double crochet, and you'll see it in some of the other tutorials that are out there, is that the fabric tends to slant or go on a diagonal when you work it, and that's just the nature of these knotted half double crochets. In the pattern today, I'm going to adjust it slightly so that you can, as you can see, my sides are completely straight up and down. There's no diagonal pull on it at all. So we're just going to do a couple little tweaks to the traditional pattern today to make it more even. Today for the tutorial, we're going to be using a little bit of a worsted weight yarn. This is the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet, as well as a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. You may also wish to have a copy of the free written instructions, which you can find here on my channel down in the description of this video. And there'll be a link down there to the free instructions on richtexturescrochet.com, and they're there for you to follow along. Also down in the description you'll find a direct link to my two crochet books that I have available, Intermediate Crochet Stitches, which is a collection of my favorite, some of my favorite crochet stitches, 102 of them, as well as Brown Quilt Blankets, which is a collection of 5 blankets featuring a geometrical design. Those are both available on Amazon, and the links are down in the description. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe. My channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. You're going to start by making a slip knot. You're then going to work a foundation chain, and our foundation chain today can be any multiple of stitches. So today I'm just going to go ahead and chain 20 stitches. Once you have your foundation chain worked, you're going to begin row 1 by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then single crochet into each stitch all the way across. At the end of row 1, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Now for row 2, we're going to begin by working a single crochet into our first stitch. You're then going to work a half double crochet 2 together over the next 2 stitches. To work the half double crochet 2 together, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and draw up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and draw up a loop. You'll have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 5 loops. That's your first half double crochet 2 together. We're now going to continue working half double crochet 2 togethers, this time always beginning in the same stitch as the previous stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch just worked, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 5 loops. You're going to continue working half double crochet 2 together, always working in the same stitch as the previous stitch all the way across until no stitches remain. I've now come all the way across at the end of row 2. I'm working my final half double crochet 2 together over the final 2 stitches. You're then going to finish off this row, and this is where it really differs from other variations of this stitch. You're going to work 1 half double crochet into that final stitch, which is the same stitch that you previously worked. So into that final stitch. Chain 1, turn your work. And now for row 3, we're going to work a single crochet into the top of that first stitch, and then single crochet into each stitch all the way across. Once you come all the way across at the end of row 3, chain 1, turn your work, and as for the repeats in this pattern, that is it. You're simply going to repeat your row 2, which begins with the single crochet, followed by a half double crochet over the next 2 stitches, or 2 together, and then half double crochet 2 together, beginning in the same stitch as previous, and continuing all the way across, and then finishing off with a half double crochet into that final stitch. That was your row 2, then repeat row 3, your row of single crochet stitches, and so on. That's all there is to working this knotted half double crochet stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around, check out the free pattern on richtexturescrochet.com, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Until next time, bye.